In today's fast-moving design environment, efficiency is everything. That's why Expedition now includes a powerful new AI assistant, seamlessly integrated to support your PCB design process. This tool is always ready to help, offering real-time guidance, answering questions, and helping you navigate complex workflows with ease. Need help configuring your stackup? Just ask. From defining layers and assigning materials to calculating dielectric constants, you can now be walked through it step by step. It's like having an expert by your side, helping you stay focused and productive. Want to automate repetitive tasks? The tool can guide you through scripting, design rule setup, and process optimization, helping you save time and reduce errors. Working with a more nuanced process? You can stay confident that it will provide clear, actionable steps for performing your function, making PCB design faster and more consistent. From routing strategies and 3D visualization to constraint management and variant design, you are supported at every stage of the workflow. And it's not just for experts. New users and students can explore features, ask questions, and build confidence, all within the same environment. No more searching through manuals or waiting for answers. Just ask and keep designing. Smarter design starts with smarter support, now built into Expedition.